So excited, guys. A new partnership with MST just started. And this is the one of many. Gotta move this candle out of the way. So guys, I am so excited for this partnership with MST. They sent me this box and well, obviously there's something inside of it, right? But yes, I am so excited for this new partnership, guys. If you want anything regarding MST products, go to my description and hit that link and go to their webpage and order. They make some quality stuff, guys. I gotta tell you right now, it's just, I've been using them even when I had my F30 and you know, this is not gonna cut it. I need good scissors. Sorry, I need a new knife. But anywho, if you wanna get yourself some MST products, intake, inlet, some really cool intake parts. Guys, they have a plethora of products available. So go hit them up, tell them you saw this video, and I'm sure they can help you out with something. But for this unboxing video, gosh, I love their tape. It just says MST all around it. I mean, that's so cool. Anywho, yeah, so I'm excited. I've had their intake on my F30 320i, and my gosh, it's so loud. I mean, intakes that deliver power. Can you guys hear me okay? I hope you can hear me okay. Intakes are kind of debatable when it comes to delivering power. Kies Motorsports did a video and they actually put a intake on a dyno run. You can watch it somewhere up here. And it's interesting, the results. You know, it was positive and it was negative. It wasn't like, oh my gosh, this intake delivered so much power, because intakes are for one purpose, and that's to provide more cooling, basically. It's not really meant to add a lot of power. I am choosing this because I want different sounds through my engine, right? It is gonna provide somewhat cooling. I don't know. I have to really see how this performs. I am taking the 440 to the track, so having this intake on the track, it's gonna be really interesting to see how cool my car handles. I mean, I'm gonna commute to work and back and record the temperature and just see how it operates, because honestly, this intake is supposed to provide cooling, right? It's supposed to make my temperatures lower. The IATs are supposed to be lower. So with this, I mean, I've read good reviews, bad reviews, I just don't know. So I'm gonna put it to the test. I'm gonna record my car stock, driving to work and back, and seeing how the gauge does, driving the way I normally drive, right? 60 miles an hour, 80 miles an hour. And then I'm gonna take it to the track and just see how it does. And it'll be really interesting. So let's see what MST sent me. So I already see some cool stuff that I'm pretty excited about. Oh my God, guys, this is dope. They sent me a flipping banner for the garage. Yo, this is dope. Yeah. Now this is a freaking dope banner. This is gonna go in my garage. Yeah, I'm gonna put this thing up. It's gonna be dope. MST, thank you. Thank you for this. This is gonna be so cool. It's gonna look nicely in my garage, and a really dope t-shirt. Check this out. You know what? Let's open it and let's put this shirt on. You know what? I'm gonna do a cool little effect. Ready for this? 3, 2, 1. Whoa, would you look at that? Nicely fitted, medium as always. Look at this badge right here. Look at that cool decal in the back. It just looks dope, guys. Thank you, MST, for sending this over. So excited for it. All right, guys, so let's see what else we got in here. So, got a bunch of just well-packaged box. I mean, my gosh, everything is so protected, and I'm glad about that, right? Because again, sometimes you get some Amazon orders and it's like, what, did you just throw it in the box? Anyways, so let's see, right here we have, I think this is the cover, right? Yeah. So here is the lid, right? Which is really cool. This is gonna be dope. It's gonna look great. All right, I'm gonna package that thing back up because don't want it to get damaged. I mean, like if it could get damaged, right? And this one, what is this? This is, what is this? Oh, Guys, oh my God, guys, home MST, if you're watching this, thank you. I didn't know you were gonna do this. It was a request, kind of like, hey, it'll be nice, but dude, thank you guys. This is amazing. Guys, look at this. Holy crud. So I just, let me show you what this is. For those of you that don't know why in the world I'm excited, right? So usually intakes have a cover, right? I like to cover it because I want all the heat to be delivered out, not keep inside, or I don't want the intake to actually suck up all the engine heat. So you put these heat shields on it. This is the regular one. This is the plexiglass one. Oh my God, this is gonna look so dope. You can finally see through it, right? Because this one's covering it up. So I probably won't use this one unless I really want to. Maybe for shows, I'll put this one on. I don't know, but I'm so excited, guys. Oh, guys, look at this. So clean. So MST, thank you. Grateful, like beyond measure. This is just so dope. Gosh, I'm really have to plan this out. I may just put this on for daily to not ruin this. And when I have a show, I'll just slap this on, show off the intake, the actual cone, the air cone. My gosh, this is gonna be so dope. Thank you once again, MST. This is huge. This is gonna make my engine bay just look phenomenal. Because I am planning on dressing up the engine bay for shows. You know, thinking of partnering up with a few companies. I can offer some colored bolts. There you go, colored bolts. That's what I'm trying to do. Because, you know, having the engine bay dressed up just makes the whole car look differently. So I'm ordering colored caps. Stay tuned to what color I choose. Colored oil caps, gas caps, coolant caps, basically any cap in the engine bay, I'm gonna order it a different color. And then also, every single bolt that you see will also have a color. It's gonna be a themed out overall color on the engine bay. And this just adds to it, because guess what? The cone is red, my boys. Yes. Cone. What else we got? We got, okay, this is cool. Some decals, some stickers, some air fresheners. Ooh, let's see what that's all about. Yeah, so it looks like it's stickers, an air freshener. Real nice. I don't want to open up because there's tools in here. You know what? Let's open it. This is an unboxing video, right? So let me actually show you what this looks like. So yes, cone, nicely mint, not even damaged at all, very clean. Put this back in the box. Ooh, it smells new. That's gonna be fun. And then we have in here, what is in here? A couple of, what is this? I believe it's part of the couplings. So we have more clamps, C-clamps, air freshener from MST, so dope. You know what, this smells pretty dope. I think this is fresh linen. So this is gonna be really nice. Thank you, MST. I see a few stickers here too. It's gonna be real nice. So thank you once again, guys. Let's see what else we got. Okay, we got, this is titanium, guys. Look, one of the reasons why I do want to upgrade this is because, you know, plastic, right? That's the one that's made out of stock. So this one, it's like metal, titanium, right? So I'm excited for this, whole different level. It's gonna change up the durability of my car, kind of like preventative maintenance, right? And obviously the housing, right? So this is gonna be, yeah, this is great. I'm gonna pack this back up because I just have to, right? Okay, what else we got here? Oh, look at this. Ooh, some decals, look at that. Well, thanks guys, this is a massive decal. There's quite a few of them in here. So yeah, I got a decal. I'm gonna put this up on the car. Gotta find a good spot for it because, you know, aesthetics is everything. So guys, thank you for watching my unboxing video. I'm excited for just this project. It's gonna look dope. I'm gonna put that banner up ASAP because, you know, why not? It just looks really dope. But yeah, I'm really excited for this project, guys. And honestly, this partnership could have not been possible if it wasn't for all of you watching right now. All of you have been supporting my channel since day one with my F3320i. And in fact, I had this same intake installed on that F3320i, and it was phenomenal. It was super loud, it was noticeable. I made an impression wherever I would go because again, when that engine turbo spools, this thing kicks in and it just sounds phenomenal. It's a bunch of air just getting sucked in, and I mean, here's a sound clip. Yeah, so that's on a 320i N20 motor. Imagine on this B58 monster, and I already gutted out the muffler. So it's gonna be a monster. Yeah, I'm excited. So stay tuned, subscribe. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you wanna order yourself an intake, get any products, I mean like, you know, another cone, or, you know, some cool stickers or air fresheners, or get yourself a cool banner. Guys, this clear plastic, I'm excited for this. It's gonna change up the game. So guys, hit up MST, let them know you saw this video. MST, thank you for sending me this. It's just phenomenal, and I'm excited for this. So guys, thank you. Hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you soon.